Dr. David Tam, President and CEO of Beebe Healthcare, and today was a special event where we actually opened the new road going into the Rehoboth Health Campus here in Sussex County. As you can see, the road is now open, and this road will lead into our new campus and give us the opportunity to take care of patients. It's so exciting because, as you can imagine, the first step in the journey, and that's what this road represents, to a new Beebe Healthcare, is this, the Specialty Surgical Hospital on the Rehoboth Health Campus. And we will have an open house on March 19th. This is an open invitation to everybody in the public. If you want to see where Beebe Healthcare is going, this is the first stop. And as we continue to grow and evolve to serve a growing and evolving community, whether it's in Millville or Millsboro or Milford, Milton, Dagsboro, Longneck, this is going to be exciting for you to come and see. So it's an invitation to all of you to please join us in celebrating our first step on this road, on this journey for Beebe Healthcare.